Let's talk about carrots. These limp, store-bought excuses for vegetables? They taste like the cardboard box they came in. But imagine this, pulling a fresh, homegrown carrot out of a pot inside your own house. That's right. Indoor gardening is the ultimate flex. No dirt-streaked boots, no squirrels, no weeding. Just you, a pot, and a carrot empire waiting to happen. Let's see how you can grow carrots at home. Chapter 1. Why grow carrots indoors? Here's why. Nature? She's unpredictable. Rain, snow, bugs. It's a mess out there. Indoors, you're the boss. No squirrels plotting a garden heist, no weather tantrums ruining your day. Plus, think about the bragging rights. Oh, these carrots? Grew them myself. In my kitchen, no big deal. And let's not forget, carrots love it indoors. They're basically the introverts of the vegetable world. Just give them a cozy pot and they'll thrive. So are you ready to become the carrot whisperer? Let's do this. Chapter 2. What you'll need to grow carrots at home. First, you'll need some gear. Think of it as building your carrot growing starter pack. Containers. You need a pot at least 12 inches deep. Carrots have big dreams, and they don't want to hit rock bottom halfway through. Drainage holes are non-negotiable. Without them, you're basically drowning your plants in a tiny, tragic swimming pool. Soil. Don't even think about grabbing dirt from your yard. You need soft, fluffy soil. A potting mix that feels like the VIP lounge for plants. Add a little sand or perlite to keep it loose. Carrots love to stretch their roots without hitting roadblocks. Seeds. Go small and mighty. Nantes, Chantenay, or Thumbelina. Thumbelina is my personal favorite. It's basically the baby Yoda of the carrot world. Tiny, cute, and perfect. Light. Carrots need light. Like diva on a stage levels of light. If your windowsill gets less sun than a vampire convention, invest in grow lights. They're cheap, easy, and your carrots will love you for it. Chapter 3. Step-by-step guide to growing carrots indoors. Step 1. Prepare the soil. Start with soil so loose and airy, it feels like a pillow for your carrot roots. Rocks? Clumps? Get rid of them. This isn't a carrot boot camp. It's carrot paradise. Step 2. Plant the seeds. Sprinkle your seeds like you're seasoning the perfect dish. Cover them with a little soil, about 1/4 inch. Carrots are shy. They like a light blanket, not a heavy quilt. Step 3. Water like a pro. Water your carrots with care. No puddles, no droughts. Keep the soil damp, like a well-wrung sponge. If it feels dry an inch down, give it a drink. Think hydration station, not swamp vibes. Step 4. Thin the seedlings. Okay, this is the hard part. When your seedlings sprout, you've got to thin them. Snip the weaker ones at the soil line. It's like the Hunger Games, but for plants. Only the strongest survive. Leave about 2-3 inches between each seedling so the winners can stretch out. Chapter 4. Patience and light. The dynamic duo. Carrots take 60-80 days to grow. So what do you do in the meantime? Provide light. 12-16 hours a day. It's like running a 24-hour tanning salon for vegetables. They're not just growing, they're glowing. And be patient. Carrots aren't fast food fries. They're slow, deliberate, and worth every second. Chapter 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistakes happen, but I'm here to help you avoid the big ones. Mistake 1. Bad soil. Heavy soil equals sad, twisted carrots. Don't do it. Mistake 2. Overcrowding. If you don't thin your seedlings, you'll end up with carrot spaghetti. Cute, but useless. Mistake 3. Not enough light. No light, no carrots. Don't skimp on the sunshine. Chapter 6. Harvesting. The big moment. The moment of truth. When you see the tops of the roots peeking through the soil, it's time. Gently tug the carrot while holding the soil steady. If it resists, loosen the dirt. No yanking. This isn't a carrot wrestling match. And there you have it. your very own homegrown carrot. Take a moment to bask in the glory of your gardening genius. Final thoughts. Growing carrots indoors isn't just about the veggies. It's about proving you can turn your living room into a tiny farm. So grab a pot, plant some seeds, and become the carrot hero you were always meant to be. Until next time, stay rooted, my friends. You can grow it. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun gardening tips.